I just want to share this tip with you. So when you're cutting something like this, zucchini, potato, whatever, you notice that it travels up the side of the knife. Even though I have these little indents in my Santoku knife, that's supposed to help prevent foods like this getting stuck to your knife. But it still does, and what happens is, as you're cutting, it's gonna fall off the top of the knife, and it goes on this side of the knife, right? And then it's like sitting there, and as you're cutting those nice triangular pieces into smaller bits because they're in the way. So you got to stop, push everything over, clear your knife, and then start cutting again, and they start traveling up your knife again, falling on this side of the knife. I'll give you a little tip so that never happens to you again. When you're cutting something like this that sticks to your knife, instead of having your knife completely 90-degree angle to the cutting board, I want you to tip it just a little bit off to the one side where you want the pieces to fall. And gravity will just take place as the pieces get to the top of the knife. They'll just fall on the proper side, and you'll never have to worry about them falling on this side and you cutting them a second or third time. And the pieces will still look the same as the other pieces of having it completely 90 degrees. Okay, so anytime you're cutting a zucchini, potato, anything like that that sticks to your knife, just angle your knife a little bit and you'll be totally fine. Okay. All right, so we have look at those nice little pieces of zucchini. You have the dark green skin still on there. That's going to give us some great presentation.